Hello friends, this is Devendra Kumar. I welcome you to my channel Energies Together. This channel is about mind, body, soul and well-being. Today we are here to learn what our body is made up of and how we are directly connected to the universe. Our body is made up of 5 elements that are known as Panch Mahabhutas, and we have full power to control the 5 elements within our body with the help of our 5 fingers, since each finger represents one of the element. Example, thumb represents fire, that is Agni. The first finger is air, that is Vayu. The middle finger is space or sky, that is Akash. The ring finger represents earth, that is Prithvi. The little finger is water, that is Jal. These elements in our body has own characteristic, but due to change in food habits and lifestyle, there are certain imbalances of these elements in our body that leads to ailments and disease. To avoid these, the element have to be controlled through brain, and to do so, we make different hand gestures that are called Dev Mudras. When we make many combination of these elements just by touching the tips or by pressing it against the thumb, we create different energies. It increases the flow of Prana Shakti, the guiding force of our body. By practicing Dev Mudras, a connection is developed with the pattern in the brain that influences the unconscious reflexes in different areas. The internal energies are in turn balanced and redirected, creating an impact in the sensory organ and gland veins. So, let's start with our first mudra. The first mudra that we are going to learn is Jnana Mudra. This pose is quite calming and spiritually awakening. It gives rise to the root chakra, reducing tension and depression. It stimulates air element in the body. It leads to increase in memory power, so it is good for students. It energizes nervous system and pushes pituitary gland production. Let's see how to do this. Sit in any comfortable position like Padmasana, Siddhasana, Vajrasana or Sahajasana. You can also sit on a sofa or a chair. Put your hand on your thigh or knee. Be comfortable. Palm facing upwards. Close your eyes. Take 4 to 5 deep breaths slowly till you have a rhythmic breathing. Do not decrease or increase the breathing speed. Be comfortable. Be calm. Touch the tip of index finger and thumb, keeping all other 3 fingers straight. In other words, Vayu and Agni comes together. That is element of air and element of fire. Benefits of Jnana Mudra. It sharpens the brain, increasing memory and concentration. It prevents anger and insomnia. It gives soothing and calming effect to mind. It helps to overcome depression and anxiety. It is very effective in case of stress. This mudra is best for meditation. Now let's see to what duration we should do this. For students, 5 to 10 minutes in a day, anytime before studying, and 10 to 20 minutes at night before you go to bed for a calming sleep. For others, 5 to 10 minutes twice a day and 10 minutes before going to bed. There is no maximum limit for doing this mudra, since all mudras are purely beneficial without any side effect. Just keep in mind, no pressure to be applied on the fingers, as only restless and unstable mind applies pressure. Just touch the tip of finger and thumb and see how Jnana Mudra gives you soothing effect to your mind and body. For more details, you can refer to my book published on Amazon and Kindle, that is Deva Mudra Volume 1. So please do like and share the knowledge of Dev Mudra to your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Energies Together. Thank you.